My name is Susan Levine, and I am from Brooklyn, New York. Mrs. Arthur says, I like the age these fine girls are at. Mama says, how's Julia at camp? Yeah, I say, she hasn't written to me yet. Mrs. Arthur says, don't hold your breath from a letter from that child. We have to call her to hear anything. Julia's having fun horseback riding and swimming, but she hates the food. We should send her some of Odessa's cookies, I say to Mama. She'd like that, Mrs. Arthur says. But you know, she'll be back here lickety-split. Do you miss her, Skaggs? I say, yes, I do. Julia's my best friend. Mama stands up, picks up her chair, and says to Mrs. Arthur, nice chatting with you, Ginger. Why don't we go to that new restaurant on Green Bay Road today or tomorrow? That is, if you're up to it. Mrs. Arthur doesn't stand up. She stays in her spot on the stoop of her back door. Beverly, she says, you are a woman after my own heart. But what about Nate? Can you leave him? Mama says he'll be fine, just needs to sleep. Right, Skaggs? I say yes, he's just tired, just tired. They agree to meet at 1 o'clock, and they are best friends like Julia and me, and I jump off the stoop, land plop on my feet, and run to the garage and get my bike and go looking for Davy. Everything is keno today.